Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix TikTok age restriction. When you open a specific video and you find this kind of error, this post is age protected or this video is age protected, then this kind of error occurs when you put your age under 16 and some kind of post or videos are not for the under 16, and you will find this kind of error. If you don't have put your age under 16 and you are facing the problem, then I will tell you the solution though. So without wasting any time, let's go to the solution. First of all, you have to close down TikTok and you have to again open the TikTok. After that, you have to click on profile. In profile, you have to click on three lines. In three lines, you have to click on settings and privacy. After that, you have to scroll down and you have to click on report a problem, which means you have to report that problem to TikTok team. You have to report that problem to TikTok team so that they can solve it for you as soon as possible. After scrolling down, you can easily find submit a report. Here you have to explain what is the problem you are facing, and you have to explain that hello TikTok team, I am facing the problem of age restriction on videos. Even I am above the age of the TikTok age criteria. Kindly solve this problem for me as soon as possible. You can also attach the screenshot of the problem you are facing. After doing all that, you can click on submit and your problem will be submitted to TikTok team, and in few days your problem will be solved and you will get email from the TikTok team on your specified email for TikTok. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.